Hey, wampila wena. Wampila!
Yini?
Hey, wena. Uma mosquito ongihuma ngaphungula ngemuva awubheka.
Akho mosquito lana.
Hayi ke phela kade ungihlupha la awucinge kusho usathi ukushaya iranda ubheka indlonka la.
Hayibo, uyabuza phela lasho ngesigqila sakho. Ha ngeke.
Ubana wo ibambe lapha. Uyabona into obuyikhuluma lapha nomlungu. Asule kabi. Ungaxosha nokuxosha mina. Sathi uphaqa lapho ubheka mosquito la. Uyayinike? Okay. Yeah, uyamthola?
Wena ungathola mosquito what?
Gololo phela.
Bona. Ayibo. Hawu, sorry yami.
Uyangishaya?
Ay. Angithanga ngibheke.
Wena ungicuphile wena. Hux. Hayibo. Ibhadi lami.
What we can do, I'm going to try and get him to sign papers in order to buy this house because A, it's prime location. We can put a guest house up here.
Yeah,
Knock this down.
Yes, I just knock that and then build up there.
Yeah, we can give him about 120,000. I'm sure it'll be all right, eh? We'll offer that to him.
But we need to twist his arm a bit,
I need to twist his arm.
Yeah, but the last time we were here, he chased me here with a spear.
Maybe
So,
he's calmed down
just
because his
notice.
sister said
Maybe it
he's
was the
taken
wine.
his medication.
Maybe,
Because he's a bit loony up here.
and then he still drinks wine.
Wow, he's a bit mad, the man.
Shame.
So yeah, maybe we can get this house from this guy. But let's just portray ourselves professionally, okay?
Yes.
Let's do this thing. So now I wonder when he's going to wake up because his sister says that she's going to go waking up now because I mean, time's ticking, girl.
It's already 12.
Yeah. I hope he comes soon. Before the office phones us, because I see we've got a few missed calls from the office. But we need to do this deal today.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's wait for him.
Wesisi.
Mfethu.
Uyalikhumbula leli hembe webafu leli ngalishelwa umkhulu. Yazi namanje mangiligqokile ngivele ngizizwa ngathi nguma 1980s yabo kudala. Hayi ngifuna ukuthi ukungibambela lona njengalezi imali besikufundisa ngazo lapha esikoleni besilo sikhokha enkulu onasifazi. Ulifake lapha eLondon bathi ukungiwashela lona yabona khona.
Ngizothini phela ngoba ngicanga usengixolele.
Ya ngoba yabona impela into benikhuluma lapha.
Amagquba wami.
Hayi.
Hello, hello.
Hey.
Ubese hamba awungambele sesingafuna ukukhuluma isingisi singaka nami nomuntu ngathi awusazi isingisi wena. Hayi hlala phansi ntombi endala, hayi hlala la. Hlala.
So, I've come to ask you, can I please buy your house?
Oh yes.
Okay. Because I'd like to just break it down and build up a bed and breakfast.
Khuluma nami ngolo. Oh yes, I mean yes. Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because this is prime area. So, you won't be without a job. You can be in the back room there and look after the property while I'm away.
Oh, sorry, yes.
So,
Yes.
we'll be able to do the paperwork.
Yes.
So I can let the lawyer come.
Yes.
There's a client.
Yes, madam, yes.
Okay. All right.
Oh, yes. How?
So you're happy with it?
Yes. Me here when I have handle. Yes, how?
You'd make garden boy.
Yes.
So you're still enjoying it, everything.
Yes.
Okay, I'm so happy.
Enjoy everything I do.
I see the lawyer's just pulled up here now. She'll be-
Lawyer.
Yes.
He wanted to
Yes.
see the lawyer.
Hello.
Hi!
How are you?
Kumnyama lo.
Go get the sister out.
Hi.
Hello, my sister.
Hello. Hi, Mthokozisi.
Hey, kumnyama lo.
What's going on here?
Lalela ke sisi. Nake ungazoshintsha imoto yami. Cela nje ungayishintsha imoto yami lana sihlezi ingqungqulu. Tusishayise ngomoya.
Hayibo ngihamba ngapha.
Hayibo, cela usishayise ngomoya yabo la kuhlala
Yabo
ingqungqulu.
usihlelo bala. Nelungu, neloya. Wazi ngasingizokhuluma uthini?
Lalela, mina ngishayisa isigisi esikhulu mina. Hamba wena ungishayisa ngomoya.
Ungibhizi masuqakile.
Ngicela ungabhedula umoya wami wena.
Mthokozisi, right?
Yes.
So you are the selling the house.
Oh, yes.
So I'm Anele Ngobo from Bling Bling.
Banele.
Clients Anele Ngobo from Bling Bling. Client service.
Yes.
Oh, I love this. So
Yes.
I'm here to help you. Okay, as well.
Yes.
So Mthokozisi, you are selling the house.
Yes.
Oh, definitely. So you're gonna sign here. Wait.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Oh. Ow.
Wait. You've signed already? Yes. Oh, thank you.
Sonke sibhala la.
Yes. We need a signature.
How?
No, just sign here. Just sign here. Yeah.
Oh manane ukuze kube right ngifuna phela nami ukuthola umngani wami la uhlela emnyango manje.
No, you can do this alone. We need you, not.
We don't need
Yes,
We can't have
yes.
anyone. We just need you only.
Just yours.
Hayi manje.
No,
It's demand.
no, yeah, just
No, hayi.
Sign, yeah.
Sign.
Oh,
Have a
mina
sign.
wonke lo.
Yes.
Hayi, nani umngani wami. Hey. Washiphi lo?
So,
Wena washipho. Wasuhlala wedwa phandle ozala ziyabuya la ngaphakathi. Ozala. Hey. Hayi mzobona isingisi esikhulunywa la. Ozala umngani wami ehlala la.
Oh, friend yours.
Oyamngani.
Hello, my brother.
Mngani. Bathi wangazi usign la awufunde yonke lemniningwane le kade baxhopha amaskandela into sign. Ufunde lapho ungitshela kuhamba kanjani. Bangikhomba la.
Sign, yeah.
I'm the lawyer here. He needs to sign here because he's selling the house.
Ngitshele kwenza. Yes.
You're selling the house.
Dayisa ngomuzi. Ha! Udayisa ngomuzi la. Uthosela ukuthi uyawudayisa umuzi.
Mina
Mngani wami. Usuzohlala.
bana lesingisisho lokho njalo.
Udayisa ngomuzi, basolisana umuzi uyadayisa.
Manathi ngizolanda ipeni sisabona sayina ngcono la.
Oh, thank you.
Ipeni lami
Thank
sayina
you.
kamnandi. Hey, ipeni hayi. Hayi ku right. La bayi. Yabona hawo la sayina. Hawo. Ipeni lami lip la. Wena kahle mina. Nithi nifunani? Ngifuna umuzi kababa. Hey, usamile wena. Hayi ngifuna.
Lamakhola la.
Mana ke wena. Wena uthe mina ngithi yes yonke lento ebengayizwa.
Ngeke mina ngiyena.
Hamba.
Ngeke.
Hey, wena Uphila.
Hello, msindo.
Lamakhola la isingisi. Abangani bakho.
Tell me leve kuyalunga.
Chithelele izingane zabo sebendalela inkinga ngiyabona baba sekwanda nezitha